Welcome back to Nirvana Hub, where we explore ways to improve our well-being and lead healthier lives. In this video, we will be discussing the amazing benefits of walking. Walking is a simple yet powerful exercise that has numerous positive impacts on our physical and mental health. In this video, we will explore the benefits along with the scientific research behind each benefit to help you understand why walking is such an incredible activity. So let's get started. Benefit number 1. Boosts cardiovascular health. One of the most well-known benefits of walking is its positive impact on cardiovascular health. Research suggests that regular walking can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve overall heart function. A study conducted by the American Heart Association found that individuals who engaged in brisk walking for at least 30 minutes a day had a 30% lower risk of developing heart disease compared to those who didn't exercise. Benefit number 2. Weight management. Are you looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight? Walking can be an excellent tool for weight management. Multiple studies have shown that walking at a moderate pace can help burn calories and contribute to weight loss. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Exercise Nutrition and Biochemistry found that individuals who walked for 30 minutes a day experienced a significant reduction in body fat percentage and waist circumference over a 12-week period. Benefit number 3. Enhances mental well-being. Walking isn't just beneficial for our physical health, it also has a positive impact on our mental well-being. Research suggests that walking can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. A study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that walking for 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, led to a significant reduction in symptoms of depression. The release of endorphins during exercise plays a crucial role in improving mood and reducing stress levels. In another research conducted at Stanford University, found that walking in nature compared to an urban environment led to decreased activity in the area of the brain associated with depression. Participants who engaged in nature walks reported lower levels of anxiety and rumination, leading to improved mental well-being. Benefit number 4. Improves cognitive function. Did you know that walking can also boost your brain power? Several studies have shown that walking can enhance cognitive function and memory. In a study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, researchers found that regular aerobic exercise, such as walking, increased the size of the hippocampus, a region of the brain associated with memory and learning. This suggests that walking may help prevent age-related cognitive decline. Benefit number 5. Strengthens bones and joints. Walking is a weight-bearing exercise that helps strengthen your bones and joints, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. A study conducted by the American Journal of Preventive Medicine found that individuals who walked for at least 30 minutes a day had a lower risk of hip fractures compared to those who were less active. Walking also helps improve joint flexibility and lubrication, reducing stiffness and discomfort. Benefit number 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. For those concerned about their blood sugar levels, walking can be a valuable addition to your routine. Research indicates that walking after meals can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. A study published in the Diabetes Care Journal found that post-meal walks of just 15 minutes significantly lowered postprandial glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Benefit number 7. Strengthens immune system. Walking can give your immune system a boost too. Regular exercise, including walking, has been linked to a stronger immune system. A study published in the Journal of Sport and Health Science found that moderate intensity exercise like brisk walking can enhance immune function and reduce the risk of upper respiratory tract infections. In another study conducted at Appalachian State University showed that individuals who engaged in moderate intensity walking for 30 to 45 minutes a day had 43% fewer sick days compared to those who were inactive. Walking enhances the circulation of immune cells, making them more efficient in fighting off infections and diseases. So, by incorporating walking into your routine, you may be better equipped to fight off common illnesses. Benefit number 8. Improves sleep quality. Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep? Walking can help with that too. Research suggests that regular physical activity, including walking, can improve sleep quality. A study published in the Journal of Sleep Medicine found that individuals who engaged in moderate-intensity exercise, such as walking, experienced better sleep, with reduced sleep latency and increased total sleep time. Walking in the morning or early evening can also help regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Benefit number 9. Boosts creativity and productivity. If you're looking to enhance your creativity and productivity, taking a walk might be just what you need. Research has shown that walking in nature or green spaces can improve cognitive function, boost creativity, and increase productivity. A study conducted by the University of Michigan found that participants who took a nature walk showed improved memory and attention compared to those who walked in an urban environment. So next time you're feeling stuck or in need of inspiration, lace up your walking shoes. Benefit number 10. Promotes longevity and overall well-being. Last but not least, walking has been associated with increased longevity and overall well-being. Several studies have indicated that regular physical activity, including walking, can extend lifespan and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. For example, a large-scale study published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine found that walking at a brisk pace was associated with a longer life expectancy. So, by incorporating walking into your daily routine, you can enjoy a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of walking backed by scientific research. From just 30 minutes of walking every day, you can start to improve your cardiovascular health, to enhancing mental well-being, strengthening bones and joints, regulating blood sugar levels, and promoting longevity. Walking truly is a powerful exercise. So, why not grab your walking shoes and start reaping these amazing benefits today? Remember, it's the small steps that lead to significant changes in our lives. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Happy walking!